This video is going to show you how to make brownie pie, and we are using a walnut crust and a chocolate pecan walnut crust. You can find it at the grocery store. Diamond makes it. And you'll need a container of chocolate icing, container of marshmallow cream, and 1 box of any kind of brownie mix. I'm using chocolate fudge. To the chocolate fudge mix, I put 2 eggs and 1 stick of margarine right here, and then 1/4 cup of water, and just mix all that together. Once you get your brownie mixed up, then we're going to put it in our crust. This crust has walnuts already in the crust, and this crust is a chocolate walnut pecan crust. We're going to put half the brownie mixture in one and half in the other. We're going to bake it on 365 for about 25 minutes or till a fork or until a toothpick comes clean. Each crust should be about a little over half full because you want to have room for it to rise in the pan, because after it's done and cooled, we're going to mix the icing and the marshmallow cream together and put that on as your topping of your brownies. So once you get all your brownie mix in there, put it in the oven on 365 for 25 minutes. While our brownie pie is baking in the oven, we're going to make our icing. And there is 1 container of chocolate icing, 1 container of marshmallow cream. I'm just going to whip that with a whisk till it's all nice and creamy. And there is your nice chocolatey icing for the top of your brownies. We're going to put it on after they completely cool. You got to make sure they're completely cool before you put this icing on. Our brownie pie just came out of the oven. Nice and brown. Did the toothpick test. Toothpick came out clean. So now you just wait at least 30 minutes, an hour, till they're really cool before we put the icing on, because you don't want the icing to melt. So we're going to let them cool and then put our chocolate marshmallow cream icing on. Now that our brownie pies have cooled, we're going to put on the icing that we made out of a jar of icing and some marshmallow cream. Just going to put a couple spoonfuls on and spread it around. Put it all over your brownie. I just start in the middle and spread it out. A little bit more on the edge. That one's all done. Now you do the other one. And there you have your brownie pie. All you have to do now is just cut it and eat it. Here is what the brownie pie looks like after you cut it. And that is a walnut crust. The other one is chocolate walnut and pecan crust. I hope you enjoy the recipe for brownie pie. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.